You can't chat to me today, you know. You see me go do my exercise. The last time I bust with them time, yeah. I fitness it, man. I'm going to work out.
No, I feel good. Right now I feel tired.
Welcome J Squad, it's your boy Jay and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Now in today's video we're going to be going on another adventure with Alex. We are going to be going in search of the Island Head Plantation. Now guys, we are in the area of Somerset, St. Thomas, and that is in western St. Thomas. Come along with us, man. Come take the journey with me now.
Yeah, Pete, so we are now on the Island Head Road, heading up into Island Head. We are searching for the Island Head Plantation. Just hope we find that still, alright? Gonna follow me. Catch us around.
There is me now.
Okay.
So yeah guys, this is the beginning of the journey. We're at the foot of the hill and you know how we do it. We're gonna make our way right now for start take on the journey to find the plantation of Island Head. As I already told you, I'm out here with Elite Jamaica, Alex, and we definitely go take on the journey here, man. We're gonna find it, you know. I feel like today is the day that we're gonna get lucky, and today is the day where we're gonna actually find what we're looking for. Yeah man, so we meet up with some locals in the area and we were talking to them just now, you know, just to get some basic information about Island Head and how far the area is from the main, because you know we always go up in some place. But the persons that we were speaking to them say is actually about 3 or so miles, and then we talked to an older person and them say no man, based on where we are right now, it's about 1.5 miles. So, you know what we are going to do? We are going to allow you guys to take the trip with us. So, forward. And guys, based on the labor breathing, you can already tell South Hill we are going up. Yeah guys, you don't know, we always try to show you guys the best of the views whenever we see nothing really interesting. Guys, look at the beautiful view over there, man. I know some of you are longing to come back to Jamaica when you see our stuff like this right now. Let's look at it. Beautiful, don't it? Yeah man. Yeah guys, when we just started getting some information about the location of Island Head, we were talking to a few people and they were saying that boy, it was a couple miles, like about 7 or 8 miles uphill to find the exact location. But you know me, I link up with Alex and I find out if him could have search him map, and Alex did some research on his map and him find out say it's not really 7 but about 4 or 5, and that kind of good for we still because it kind of cut back on the walk. But you know it go. As I always say, we do it for you guys. So you're getting an opportunity now for really see what we see and experience what we experience through our lens, alright?
These are the locations, them places are the place them away. Ancestors them used to walk when people send them down on the flat to catch water and them things there. And if you carry goods from down a coal lot down at the plantation, them, the sugarcane plantation and them things. Because even though them plantation they don't pay, you know, a lot of these places they normally got a whole lot of supplies. Because that was a major plantation owned by Serge Island, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, so we're up on our journey, I go up up on Island Head Road. A lot of landslides. This was actually a driving road. This is actually the Somerset Road, you know. That road is supposed to be Somerset, you know. You heard that already, don't Mr. Jones? Jay? The road down there, the top of Somerset is actually Mount Lebanos. Alright, this should have been the community. But I'm not sure what happened. If someone that was around in those times could explain that so that others know, please put it in the description or in the comment section below.
So guys, we're actually on the, the road to Island Head right about now. And this was a driving road a few years ago. You know, vehicle used to pass on this, but as you can see, erosion take place all over the place, and as a result of that, it's not a driving road anymore. But come still, we're still out at the journey with you. Hey man, manners are speaking with us.
Let me in and let me go. Honestly, try honesty. No, just tell me what
Alex, what do you think? You think say right after the corner with the place that's all good?
Let me
Oh, you know the corner.
got my hopes.
I feel like maybe you're excited, Alex. You feel like there's an anticipate to see the thing.
Times I'm lost. I just can't let this go. Every last chance I had is gone.
So the last time Alex and I linked up, we didn't find exactly what we were looking for. But I guarantee you today that we're going to find what we're looking for, because it is important information. We've done a lot more research on it, and we get information also from the locals. So guys,
it's not like a flower where somebody can root up and show. It's history. It's buildings that are there from 18. They're there from 1726, but they're under the occupation that we're actually searching for. They were occupied from 1829. So unless someone take out the brick them and move them, we are going to find them.
Move it.
All right?
Find it.
Yeah, so we're going to follow our peeps.
As you can see, it's a very steep drop down to the bottom of this hill. About 850 feet we're looking at right now, guys. Can you imagine if these slaves used to have to pass here at night without any form of light or whatever? But guess what? These people knew the location very well. So there's no possible way how they could slip, because they knew where every corner was. It's as if they had photographic memory. They had to memorize every single thing in regards to the backwoods and so on, just in order to get there safely. You can't chat to me today, no? You see me go do my exercise. The last time I bust with them time, yeah. I fitness it, man. I'm going to work out. No, man, I'm going to work out, man. Yeah, Alex, give me the benefit of the doubt, man. Show, man. But
wait till I go in a couple months time, I look like you, I don't know what I'm going.
So watching now, guys.
I feel what I do to do here, yo. Because guys, I stop drink alcohol enough. I only smoke now. I don't drink again.
Yeah, man, I still a pray for you.
I drink for 2 months. And trust me, I feel good. Right now I feel tired.
Hey, I pray for you, man, guys. You know? I definitely pray for you, man. I'm a brethren, man.
So yeah, man. So we're up on our way, peeps.
Yeah, man, we're at the journey, guys. We're up on our way. You can feel the coolness of that area.
The oxygen is absolutely clean.
Yeah. So you know that we are at a very, very high altitude right now.
High altitude?
look over there, man. That's how high we are right now.
Come on.
Man, that's how high we are right now, guys.
Right, as you go there, so right, I see the path rightness. But just like when you are talking about the road, if you didn't know, you don't know the road, so you can't talk about that road. The easier road to enter in here. Just go right up and what you see, like how you have up on the road, so I go. So when you go up and you see you just turn left. You see the cow pen. So you just pull the gate, because the gate can't pull. You let the gate as it can't pull, and you just go in. Yeah man, so you're legit.
Yeah, listen, you go up yourself. Yeah, guys, you see
So guys, we definitely know that we're getting closer. Because we definitely know that we're getting closer, guys, because I just found a piece of cut brick. And you know, anywhere you see cut brick, guys, you know that that was a part of some kind of construction. So we're getting close. Yeah man, I'm just gonna lay this back right where I found it. Yeah man.
one goes around to that side, that takes you around to the jail. That takes you around to the jail. If we have time out coming back, we actually have the one of the jail, alright? This one takes us to the great house. That's where we're going first, because the great house has a cemetery and a plantation section. So we're going there first, and then we come back and try to find the jail. Alright, so type here in the comment section if you want to do that, and we'll come back and type the great house in the comment section if you can't wait. So we have a plan. Follow me.
Yeah man, I just slip a while ago too. Nah, slip and drop everybody. Oh my god. Guys, pine tree. Look at this view, guys. Honestly guys, just look. And no zoom is included right now. We're not utilize no zoom. But just to show you guys what we are seeing directly. Let's look at that. Let me apply some zoom and show you guys what I'm seeing right now.
Being around nature,
Just look at the river down there, man. You know, based on information, a river like this is one of the rivers where Nanny used to come across in order to get to the old jail that was up here at Island to free some of the slaves. Guys, take a look at that, man. And as you can tell, the altitude because of the level of wind. Yeah, man. Hey, man, J Squad. A whole heap of height. We're on the edge of the cliff, as I was showing you guys right now. About 3,000 feet. Alex, see them there?
guys, never watch Missing 411. Me not like, oh, Trevor down the side, me I tell him come on,
Come on, in now, come.
When you watch Missing 411 with David Palidas, me can't call her name that good. I want to watch. Remember the channel, let me tell him to subscribe to Mr. Bowden. Yeah, man. You subscribe to Mr. Bowden because, yeah, tell him, sir, Elite Jamaica or JSS and nobody. Missing 411 is about persons who go missing, like how that they start talking him over this and look over this and don't slow at him go. No way, and him not drop down the side and just disappear.
Just gone.
Yo, stay close.
Alex just tell you guys a while ago. A 3,000 feet we're looking, you know. What if a drop? This is a huge drop off right here. We can't even go close to the edge to show you guys what we are seeing. But it's it's a very, very steep drop. Let me flip my camera real quick and show you guys. Guys, that's a river all the way down there. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you guys. That's a couple thousand feet right there. We're looking at a meandering river down in the valley right there. And we are at the top of the hill overlooking that river. I am no coward, you know, but me telling you guys, you know, me stay close to one pine tree, you know. Cause any movements me I grab on that, you know. Come on, guys. Really and truly, man. Just look at that, man. I tell you. Look at that. Why, I'm telling you, the only thing missing right now is a drone shot. Yeah, it's just a drone shot, guys. But you know, channel is growing, so sooner or later you guys gonna get all of them shots that you really want, guys. It'll be so extraordinary now to just send up a drone and just go and look at all of these things that we're seeing. Yeah, over there. You guys, real beauty. Jamaica nice. Anybody wanna believe that? Sorry for you. If you know that Jamaica is a wonderful place, just put Jamaica nice in the comment section.
This is superimposing, you know. This, Jano, this
So
big.
Alex just tell you guys a while ago.
It's big.
3,000 feet.
And you know it's at almost 3,000 feet drop off. May I tell Trevor say no to go down there because the breeze will come off out of the crevasse down there. When that wind come up and it lick him, it'll dry him over there because you stand up here and feel like the breeze will pull you over there, so you don't feel that. Because that, you know, the depth of the thing, yo, trust me, and then we have that big hill over there. So peeps gonna go for where I go. Yeah.
Yo, Alex, this is priceless.
This priceless is a beautiful scene.
This is priceless, guys.
We never expect this. Guys, we still not reach where we are going yet now. We still can't let you say yet, you know, this is like so beautiful. Like, we never gonna know it like this in my life before.
I tell you, brother.
Yo.
Alex, I tell you, like, but that right here, son, it just bring you close to reality, brother. Like,
Show you how small you are.
it just show you how small you are. Based on the conversation we had a while ago, when you look on the expanse of the mountains with the runway and, you know, you feel a cool air there, you just want to just take away everything from your mind, you know, business about nothing where I take place in the quote-unquote real world.
The mountain big.
Yeah, you just free your mind and just relax.
No mountain with it. But anyway, peeps, you know what? We'll maybe find something even more beautiful where we can sit down and chat. So you know spend a lot of time. Come,
Let's go.
let's go out.
Guys, we're searching because we think we found one of the spots that was mentioned, you know, so we're searching the ground to see if we see any form of structure whatsoever. Just look with me, guys. If you see anything, let me know. So as we reach deep into the woods, you know, all of a sudden Alex's camera just cut away, you know. You understand? So we actually try to see what happens. Yeah, man, we're there way up in the wilderness now. We just go through beside one gate a while ago. And as we reach on the inside, it just cut away. Guys, stay tuned and see what happens now. Because we're trying to figure it out. Guys, we go over one spot a while ago and I'm going to tell you the truth, you know. The energy don't feel right over there at all, you know, so we just let go from this and start move again, you know. Trust me. But you know the thing go, as I say, we are guaranteed that this trip is nothing normal. Alex, we find another wide road. Look here, guys.
Yeah, peeps, so we just go over the place because I think we reach the location. Because I actually think we reach the location still. But every minute my phone starts chip out. So I use J phone and film now. I want to see if that one have a chip out. So I go over, you know, them bush over here, so now. But look if I see nothing over here, because I still like I see something over here, so. No. No. Yo, over there, son, right? Are the same property still there, you know? Where you go? Oh, you just a look. Look, now go wide and look, man. Don't be can't touch you, you know? Yeah, peeps, so. The index don't feel right, so I'm going to go further up. Because we're close to the location. As I tell you, this was a Spanish plantation, you know, peeps. Something I seen on background or whatever. Come here, man. I'm not them things that scare you, bro. Enter and reach near the location. What that? Cow? Enter and reach near the location, them. Stuff like this happen. Is that cow that, bro?
Yeah.
No, man. Hear me I say, no, man. We will get scared, you know. Remember, you know, man. Don't feel like we don't get scared, you know. But we can't make it overcome. We it up another middle where we go. So it's supposed to be around this. So. Reach back on the part?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, that's why I'm just saying some height. The road not there.
That's all. You have to watch the foot.
Yeah. Watch them treat something I would just cut, you know. Them thing is, you stub your foot on it, it's not normal, you know. Yeah, people. So they're near the location, you know. You know? Stuff like this always happen when we reach near location. You know, when you walk, if your foot itch from something, look a white itch from before you pull your foot forward in a yoke. I'm not on a stone drop in my head now. Yeah, please, I'm sure now. Over there.
Feel like you find it in Alex, look there.
Where is it?
See flat land there.
No. You have to go straight to my bro.
Now also let me say we take a left.
Alright, you find something, stop camera now. Peeps, so we go as far as down there, so we went up on a farm. Like the structure I'm the zoom in pan, not showing that on the screen. But then Jay called me and said him see something, so I check out that and really find out what's there. Because we see that this one stone structure for true. But I could check it out, I'm not sure now.
Look on the shape of the edges. That look like something cut.
Stone.
Eh?
Stone.
Breakaway.
Stone.
Alright. Still thirsty. Hey, put a hot dog on the bank inside over there.
I just yes. We have to turn back because we have to go back there. So we have to really make it quick. Tell me what time, please. 4:42. Early, man. But I wonder if I don't necessarily structure them down in Bill Pant.
That's a possibility, you know.
Come in, peeps. Even though private property, we have to check it out. If someone don't want to talk to them. Yo! 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 I heard that man farmer pass where I go down.
The car one time I go beyond time.
I go there to look over.
I break this.
Don't step on the farmer thing there, yeah?
No, man. Break that.
Yeah, construction there, but me not see nothing.
Remember the man did say we know.
No, man, I not break this, man. I stone, man. I not, no, man, when him say we not see nothing, we not this, man.
Okay.
You know me that way, man. You know what me I look for. What there? What me I look for can't move, you know. You see the goat, SOMMERSET. Just look over this. What me I look for can't move. This still could be part of one construction still. Okay, look that way there, you know.
Yeah, and look on it.
Check out that stone the way stand up on.
Yeah, but look on the size of this metal, Alex.
Metal?
This is a part of something already. Look on that. This is a part of something. That look like the part
This is
of.
from the plantation.
I mean, tell you, so this look like a part of a.
This is from the plantation.
So we actually live on location.
No, we're up on the plantation already, but at the building me I look for. But this is from the plantation, this is from another building. Wish we could have dig out this one. Yeah, peeps. This is from the plantation, this is from one of the sugar mill them. As we all know, because we had find relics from sugar mills and stuff like that. However, we look for the structure. I'm really cheap. Piece of the wall,
Exactly.
guys. Once again,
Another piece.
we find piece more of the sugar mill, the sugar mill part. I don't know why they call it still, but it's part of the sugar mill. Alright. However, and that's a wall, you know, peeps. I run from here going over there. We look like we're right up at the middle there, but however we not see. We not see what more see. Who there? Don't show. But those things say the hut built upon the construction.
Yeah, I have a feeling to sort of build for the car.
But more construction, this is what I look for. More construction is supposed to be there, is it? Because the way the man said, yo! Alright. The man say, yo, just go up. And when you go up, you're fine. You're going to see, isn't it?
And somebody answer around, so.
Yeah, man, snap up. But that's how much chance people know over there, isn't it?
That man can't give you a better.
So people set up on the plantation, you know, but I just find the structure of the sugar mill. And it's here, alright? It's there. Just find it. What else over there? A tree?
Tree that. Go up, man, up more. I come from.
No.
Yeah.
No, I wonder if I go check and I track it down there. I wonder if I done in the middle of it there.
That would I carry back down so.
Yo, watch the donkey. You know I'm afraid of donkey now, yo. Kick you. Big up, you know. Yeah, they look at the thing that the building them, the whole building them, the whole brick construction them, you know what I mean?
Oh, we up, son.
We up like
Up island head.
Yeah.
We up, yeah, we up, man. You have to go up and go on. One cowpen did they like.
We hear about the cow pen fish in one little iron.
Yeah, man.
How far? About a mile?
Man. Yeah, man.
About a mile?
Yeah,
A
man.
mile not really far. Both from yourself to go down Somerset.
Yes, I'm tell you what. You have to go. You see one pine tree drop across the road.
Okay.
Yeah, so you pass the pine tree drop across the road. You see the pass, go on. You see one gate.
Alright.
One cover, you see one gate. You just go on. Just go on.
So if me walk fast from yourself to go up there, can about 20 minutes, half an hour.
Yeah, man.
Alright, come in.
Man.
Respect, yeah?
Yeah, man. Just go straight up here.
Now that beast look strong, you know, man. Take care and see him, man. I closest, yo. I'm afraid of them, you know.
Mule.
Respect, yeah?
Our boss.
Alright.
I know, guys, by Jamaican standard, when you hear say it there, just up there, so you know, say it extremely far. So when you hear say it there far, you know it there further. Guys, look at that. Look at the bank inside that we're at. Look at the steep drop. So guys, at this point we realized that the night shot had already come over and it would have been difficult to continue the search. So we had to call off the search and try to get back to flatland before it got dark, because we didn't have adequate equipment up there in the hills to really continue the search. Definitely gonna be a follow-up to this video. This video is gonna be having a part 2 in maybe the next day or so. And you guys can just stop over Elite Jamaica YouTube channel and you'll get to see the plantation. Why me I tell you? Move it. Let's see what we have to do now.
Yeah, man. Peeps, so we find a good Samaritan who will help we show the road, because we actually go up on a wrong road a while ago, you know, man. You know? Yeah.
I'm afraid you want my mother fret boy, Alex.
Yeah?
Remember, my mother is a subscriber to your channel, my auntie, and I'm afraid you want them fret.
One at a time I tell this man, so we have to go turn back, you know, because the wrong road. And take the next road, go down. One vex.
Guys, remember, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, just go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Also hit the post notification bell so that you guys can get videos just like this as we continue to seek to give you guys the best footage, the best information, the best adventures out there. Yeah, man, just continue racking up the numbers for the channel, Jay says, because we are heading to 1,000 subscribers with your help, and we can only do it, guys, based off your viewership and your subscriptions. So yeah, man, show the channel some love, hit the subscription button, smash the notification bell so that you guys are always up to date with whatever is going on the channel, and we'll always keep you guys posted with the most latest and most adventurous information out there as we seek to just find the bits and pieces of history. Hey guys, what an adventure. We come from all the way up at the top of the hill up there, so, and we finally reached down back on flat. Right where we are standing right now is called Top Road, and we are down back in the community of Somerset. A good Samaritan showed us a shorter way, so look out for part 2. We're definitely going to find what we set out to find. But guys, really tired, not lie you. But as we always see on our channel, Jay says, and we are out of here.